This is with regards to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Now, amid massive protests in POK due to rising unemployment, inflation and unjust taxes in the valley, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has sent out a stern message. He's gone on to say that one day we will remove the illegal occupation of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and it will be back with India. This is only a reiteration of the External Affairs Minister. Remember, just a couple of days ago, also while addressing the Delhi University Gargi College, he passed a remark saying that they will be introducing a legislation to do away with POK and reclaim POK with India. Let's also listen into what Dr. Jaishankar had to say.
थी वो धारा 370 पर थी और ये भी हम कहेंगे कि जो एनडीए का रिकॉर्ड है और एनडीए की सोच जो है, मोदी सरकार की सोच जो है कि कश्मीर को देश के साथ इंटीग्रेट कैसे किया जाए, कश्मीर की डेवलपमेंट इसको हम कैसे और आगे बढ़ाएं। और कश्मीर और उल्टा आप देखते हैं कि 370 के साथ कौन चलाना चाहता था इसको, किसका हित था इस पे, तो ये भी देश के सामने बहुत क्लियर चॉइस। आजकल थोड़ी बहुत बातें पीओके पे भी चल रही हैं, वहाँ कुछ आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ घटनाएं भी हो रही हैं। अब मोदी सरकार जो है, हमारा मत इस पे बहुत स्पष्ट है, पार्लियामेंट का रेजोल्यूशन है, हम बहुत क्लियर हैं कि पीओके जो है भारत का अंग है, इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, इट वाज ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, इट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया। और हमारा ये जरूर इरादा है कि एक दिन हम पीओके को जो है वहाँ का इलीगल ऑक्यूपेशन जो है उसको हम ख़त्म करेंगे और पीओके जो है भारत के साथ वापस जुड़ जाएगा।
Let's quickly go across to Abhishek Jha, who's joining us on the phone line with more details. Abhishek, at a time when Prime Minister Modi is talking about 400 Par, the External Affairs Minister has only reiterated his earlier suggestion of reclaiming POK. How significant is it at a time we are seeing the kind of unrest plague Pakistan-occupied Kashmir?
Well, this has got a two aspects, Akanksha, clearly. First, of course, the policy of the government, NDA government, has been very clear on Kashmir. First, the reorganization or the entire removal of 370, and then the development work that the government tried to do in that area, that region, has significantly allayed those, those affiliations with erstwhile Pakistani-sponsored terrorism or sympathizers groups among the Kashmiri youth. Second is, of course, we have in the recent weeks seen multiple times protesters clashing with police forces in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, Rawalkot, Mirpur, Muzaffarabad, various places in that region has witnessed massive protests. And these protests are happening on the issue of basic amenities, which are not provided to the citizens of that area. These are essential food items, electricity, health, education. So there is a palpable dissatisfaction among the people in POK regarding how Islamabad is trying to govern them or rule them. So there is a dissatisfaction, and as External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar reiterated, our constitution and the government's policy has been clear that the integration of the remaining part of Jammu and Kashmir, which is still with Pakistan, that will be done with India in the days to come.
Abhishek, since you've also highlighted the kind of oppression that is taking place in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, whether it is unemployment or rising inflation, important to also highlight what we are, experiencing in POK is a people's rights movement which is surging across POK. That is also a sort of backlash to the oppression that they've had to deal with at the hands of not just the Pakistan government but also the police there.
Well, see, the mythical representation that Pakistani governance or the leadership tried to sell to the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir for decades seems like crashing down now because of the Pakistan's own internal conflict, the political situation, the economic doldrum that Pakistan is currently facing. The Pakistan-occupied Kashmir becomes the least priority area for them right now, and this is what the people have now witnessed in the last few years, that the developmental work has not been as per the other part of the country in that region. The employment rate, inflation, and other basic amenities are not being provided. In fact, so much so that there are certain reports that suggest that people of POK have also raised slogans that they want to integrate with the Indian part. There have been Indian flags that have been some reports suggest that they have been also seen there. So that shows the kind of disillusionment these youth, these civilians have now the feeling with the Pakistani operation. And there are dozens of videos which in the recent weeks have shown how the police personnel, how the army personnel have been chased away, how there have been conflicts, skirmishes among people and the
Right.
authorities there, and that seems very disturbing.
Right. Many thanks to you, Abhishek, for bringing in all those inputs on this news story. And with that, it's time to slip into a quick break. Stay tuned to CNN News 18 for all the latest breaking stories.